let us get into today's battle. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and her red hair, and we are back with another video, guys. So today's video is another battle of the products. Drum rolls. So just as the title says, I'm sure you must have seen it, I'm going to be doing a battle of the CERAVE cleansers. You guys loved the battle of the CERAVE moisturizers, and you know, it kind of gingered me to want to do this one. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Niella and I create content around every freaking thing you see on this channel. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell so you don't miss any new video whenever it goes live. And if you're an OG, one love to all of you guys. To all of you, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys are the realest MVPs. So guys, let us get into today's battle. So guys, before I start with the entire review or the battle, I'm just going to be showing you guys what these two products looks like. And if you remember in my last skincare haul, I mentioned that I bought the CERAVE cleanser, one of the other ones that the foaming one I had already been using it, but the moisturizing one I have never used it, and I was worried that if it didn't work for my skin type, then it means say I don't enter trouble. So guys, these are the two products. So this is the CERAVE Hydrating Cleanser for dry to normal skin, and this is the Hydrating Cleanser for normal to oily skin. As you guys know the drill, we're going to start with the similarities and jump into the differences. Then we just, you know, talk about who won the battle. So for the similarities, both of them are actually the same price. I think it's about $17.99 or $19.99. I think the small one is $17.99, but I bought this on sale. I can't remember what was happening at that time, but there was a sale at Shoppers Drug Mart. That was how I was able to get this, but I can't really remember the price. But I think it retails for $19.99 or $21 or thereabout. Both products, both cleansers actually contains niacinamide, ceramide, and hyaluronic acid. That is another thing I love about the CERAVE brand. Most of their products, if not all of them, but I know most of their products, the one I have used contains niacinamide, ceramide, and hyaluronic acid. Another similarities between the both of them is that both of them comes in like the size is the same. It's 562 mils, and this one is also 562 ml. So both of them have the lock, the open and close lock function. So both of them actually have the open and the close, you know, thing at the top or at the cap. And yeah, so I think the similarities between the both of them isn't so obvious. The only thing is that they are both the same size. They all come in the same size. I actually used to use the smaller one of the foaming cleanser before I decided to purchase the bigger one. And they both have the open and close kind of thing on top of it. And the other one is they both contain ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. Another similarity is that both of them don't really have a smell. Like, they actually don't have a scent. So if you're worried about scents in your or fragrances in your skincare, then this is one of the products you should also get. So guys, now we are done with the similarities. Let's move into the differences between these products. The first obvious difference has to be the color of both products. The hydrating cleanser comes in white and green, while the foaming cleanser comes in light blue. It kind of looks like green, but like a turquoise green or turquoise blue, I'm not sure, but let's just say, for the sake of this video, let's just say it is blue. Another difference between the foaming cleanser and the hydrating cleanser is that the foaming cleanser is meant for normal to oily skin, while the hydrating cleanser is meant for dry to normal skin. So guys, Another difference between the both of them is that this one, the foaming cleanser, restores the skin's moisture barrier, while the hydrating cleanser cleanses, hydrates, and help to replenish and protect the skin barrier. So this one just restores the skin moisture barrier, while the hydrating cleanser cleanses, hydrates, and helps to replenish the protective skin barrier. Another difference between the both of them is that this one is oil control. The foaming cleanser is oil control, while the hydrating cleanser is moisture balance. So another difference between the both of them, I could say, is the consistency and how it feels. For the foaming cleanser comes out like a jelly. It has like a jelly consistency, or when you see it, it looks jelly and it is very clear. But the hydrating cleanser is more on the creamy side, so it feels like it's creamy, more like it's jelly. And another difference is that when you apply it on your skin, the foaming cleanser obviously foams because it's a foaming cleanser, and the hydrating cleanser doesn't foam. Let me not say it doesn't really foam. It doesn't foam at all. The first time I tried it, it felt like I was, it felt like I was using cream to wash my face. That was how it felt. And in my mind I was like, will this thing work? And so the foaming cleanser comes in like a gel it has like a gel like feel to it, while the hydrating cleanser has like a creamy feel to it. When you feel it, how it feels on the skin, just like what I said, the foaming cleanser, before you apply, please, you have to pat your face with a little water, or when you pour, or when you pump out the amount you want to use on your face, you can just add like a few drops of water to it, so that you can be able to massage it well into your skin, and it foams as it's supposed to. It's not like if you don't add water, it's not going to foam. It's actually going to foam whether or not you had water. But if you want it to lather more than it's supposed to, you can add like few drops of water. The hydrating cleanser, just like what it says, it hydrates. It doesn't really leave your skin dry, so it's not like it hydrates, like it's not a forever kind of hydration, because in all honesty, cleansers don't really hydrate because it's something that you wash off. So it's not like it stays on your face or it sticks to your face. But the thing about the hydrating cleanser is that it doesn't leave your skin totally dry compared to this one. It's not like this one leaves your skin totally dry, but you would have a feel of, I just washed my face with this cleanser, because as I said, it's tailored to normal to oily skin. So if you have oily skin, I think this cleanser is one of the cleansers you should actually consider purchasing. And again, another difference between the both of them is this is actually very mild than this, because this foams, and I know a lot of people might have this mentality that, oh, if it's not foaming, that means it's not cleaning or it's not cleansing. But the truth of the matter is, I've actually tried the both of them, and when I was done washing my face, after toning my face, I actually thought that I was going to see a lot more dirt because of the whole creamy consistency. But alas, I lied. The dirt when I tried to tone my face, or after toning my face, wasn't really obvious, because initially I was like, this thing is not foaming, how would it wash my face? But this actually washes, this actually cleanses your face. And again, this actually does the job, and none of them has actually irritated my skin so far. I have been using this, but the smaller bottle, I have been using this since May, but the bigger bottle, I haven't really used it. I think I used it for the first time when I was filming this video, because I already know how it works. But this one, I have been using it since I got it, and I actually like the feel, on the feel, like the after effect on my skin after I'm done washing my face. I know most of you might be asking, why did I actually buy the two? So for me, and my own verdict of the both of them, they both do the work tailored to the kind of skin you have. So if you have like dry to normal skin, you should actually consider this one, because this would not leave your already dried skin drier than it's supposed to be. And if you have oily skin, this would actually help you to control the oil secretion on your face. don't forget, it's just a cleanser. You're going to wash everything off. Another thing is that I could use this, you know, at night after I had this job, you know, and you know, all the makeup, and after double cleansing, you would want to use like something like a foaming cleanser so that you can just get rid of everything. And I could use this as a gentle cleanser in the mornings, you know, and this would also help with the, you know, hydration. And when I try to, you know, layer other hydrating products on my skin. So I don't think, my honest verdict is that I would actually be repurchasing both of them if I run out of any one. But this one, I would prefer to use it in the morning and days when I just feel like, oh, I really don't want to do like so much harsh cleansing, in quotes. And this one, I'm going to use it at night after I had this job, you know, and all the makeup. I need to clean off all the makeup. I need to ensure that my skin is clean all through the night till the following morning. Guys, I've come to the end of today's battle. If you have used the CERAVE cleanser, let me know how it has worked for you in the comment section below. And if you haven't tried any of their cleansers, or if you have tried any of their products and not the cleanser, please let me know. They also have other cleansers. There's one that is a salicylic acid cleanser, but that one I think is tailored to people who have sensitive skin, and I don't have a sensitive skin. I'll see you guys in my next one. Do have yourself a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.